Creating product-oriented content. After you choose your niche, select some hot products to promote, create your Amazon affiliate website, and sign up for the Amazon Associates program to create your Amazon Associates account, the time comes to start doing the hardest part, the one that will determine if you make it or if you break it as an Amazon affiliate. We are, of course, talking about the part where you finally start creating content for your Amazon affiliate website, because content is what will attract buyers to your Amazon affiliate websites. But why do we say that this is the hardest part? We say so because creating content for affiliate sites is not easy for the most part, and that is exactly where most affiliate marketers fail. And because of that, we are going to show you how to create amazing content for your Amazon affiliate sites the easy way. After all, creating awesome product-oriented content for your affiliate sites comes down to following a series of easy-to-apply strategies. So let us grab you by the hand and guide you all the way through. Building product-oriented pages. Product-oriented pages are used in affiliate marketing sites to promote Amazon affiliate offers. And the goal of these pages is to drive traffic to any given product page on Amazon and foster sales. So in short, these pages are designed to generate affiliate income on Amazon affiliate websites. Let's check what a nice-looking product-oriented money page looks like. The first thing that you will notice is that a product-oriented page is full of product-oriented content, including profitable keywords, product images that link to affiliate offers, and long, evergreen product-oriented written content. We recommend you look at successful Amazon affiliate sites that promote stuff related to your niche for inspiration. In our case, we're looking at thewirecutter.com, an Amazon affiliate site that gets over 8 million unique visitors each month and that generates affiliate income in the millions. The strategies that we are about to reveal next are being used by the most successful and most profitable Amazon affiliate sites around, so pay good attention and start applying them as well. Use profitable keywords. Profitable keywords are keywords that drive purchasing intent and that are used by people to search for information about products on any given niche when they are ready to make a purchase. Note that these keywords are not merely used to find product information. They are used for research by people that like to make informed purchases. See how profitable keywords are used in this affiliate site, as they are not targeting gaming headphone, but best gaming headphone, which is a long tail keyword used by people looking into buying the best gaming headphone available. So what are they doing here? They are using these long tail keywords so people looking for the best headphone or the best air conditioner land on these pages. See how they combine best with cheap to target people looking for the best equipment on a budget. To give you an example with our niche, we are not going to target best home theater systems, but best 7.1 receivers. To make sure that a keyword is profitable, go to the Amazon homepage and type it into the search bar. If it's highlighted in the results, then it is indeed profitable. Profitable keywords should also include brand names in some circumstances, and they have to be used on the title of your product-oriented pages, throughout your content, and on your tags. Product images. Product images will always drive engagement, period. And you have to use a wide variety of them in your product-oriented pages in order to motivate people into buying the products that you're promoting. Product images work because people mostly make purchasing decisions based on how attractive the products look on product pages. It is very important that the images that you feature on your product-oriented pages link to their respective Amazon product pages. Product images are best used at the top of your content. Quality written content. Of course, your product pages would be nothing without cool and informative written content geared toward telling your visitors what your products are all about and why they should make a purchasing decision right when they finish reading, perhaps before. In order to achieve this, you have to go beyond reviewing the product or stating your opinion on the product. You have to answer the question that your visitors were trying to answer when they landed on your product page in the first place. Start by describing what the product is, what its benefits are, and why people should buy it. For example, if you target the best keyword for your product, explain why it is the best, and so on. Ideally, you should have tried the product that you are writing about, but we know that this is not only difficult but quite expensive. So a good starting point is to simply go on the product page on Amazon, Once there, check the title and the product description to get information about the product. Also check the sponsored products related to this item, and the customers who bought this item also bought horizontal lists, so you can casually stack the product that you are writing about against similar products. It can be useful to insert affiliate products for other items that increase revenue. Lastly, check the customer reviews. Check the most relevant reviews on each sale, from 5 stars to 1 star, to see what customers think about it, so you can use this information on a pros and cons section for your product page. As a final piece of advice, try to make your written content from 2,000 to 2,500 words long in order to make it relevant on search engine results. Follow these simple strategies and you will be swimming in affiliate money sooner than you might expect. Creating your Amazon Associates account. Okay, so you did your job and created a cool Amazon affiliate website, and now the time has come to fill it with products to promote. You are more ready than ever because we just showed you how to do it the right way. And to get your affiliate links, you'll need to become an Amazon Associate by creating an Amazon Associates account. You will only need your website information at hand and an Amazon.com account to get started. Start by going to the Amazon homepage. Scroll down to the Make Money With Us title and click on Become an Affiliate. Now click on Join Now for free. Sign up using your email address and click on Sign Up using our secure server. The first setup step is to enter your account information. Here you will be asked to enter the payee information in order to receive funds made from your Amazon affiliate website. By default, the info here will appear as your own personal info, including your full name, your address, and your phone number, but you can change it by clicking on Select Different Address if you want someone besides you receiving the funds made on your associate's account. In the Who is the main contact for this account, you can select the payee listed above or a different contact selecting Someone Else. Now click on Next to go to the Your Websites and Mobile Apps section. Here you have to enter at least one website or mobile app where to display your Amazon affiliate links, and you could add up to 50. So simply enter your site's domain name in the Enter Your Website field and click on Add. Then click Next. Websites or apps that are directed primarily to children under the age of 13 are not eligible to display Amazon affiliate links, so check the No box here and click on Confirm to continue. In the Profile section, you will create a profile for your affiliate websites. In the Associate Store ID, enter a simple name that you can remember, as this will be your Amazon Associate ID. Now enter a brief description of your affiliate website in the What are your websites or mobile apps about field. In the Which of the following topics best describes your websites or mobile apps display boxes, select a primary and a secondary category. In the What type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your websites or mobile apps part, check all the possible product types that you plan to promote on your site. In the What type are your websites or mobile apps display boxes, select Content or Niche Website as your primary category, and a secondary category of your own choice. Let's now move on to the Traffic and Monetization section. In the How do you drive traffic to your website section, check all the options that best describe your traffic sources. In the How do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income boxes, select what other types of monetization strategies are integrated into your Amazon affiliate websites, such as display advertising. Select Amazon Associates is the only way I monetize my site if you only use the Amazon Associates program to monetize your site. Fill the information required in the How do you usually build links, the How many total unique visitors do your websites and apps get per month, the What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associates program, and the How did you hear about us sections to finish here. Now enter the security code provided and click on Next to move to the next section. You'll get a confirmation informing you that your identity verification has been completed. Check the box under Contract Terms to accept the operating agreement, then click on Finish. Congratulations! You are now ready to start using Associates Central.